Hello everyone, have you ever wanted to know what's really inside your phones? Maybe you bought a used phone or wanted to verify its specifications, or you are curious about your processor, RAM, battery, temperature, or whether your phone has certain sensors. Android settings only shows basic information, but with one free app, you can see much more. Let's check it out. Open Google Play Store and search for CPU-Z. Install the application developed by CPU ID, then open it. CPU-Z is a free application that displays details hardware information about your Android device. The first screen is the SoC tab. Here you can see your phone's processor, GPU, CPU cores and their current speed. This is useful if you want to verify your phone's specifications or compare its performance with other devices. Next, open the device tab. Here you will find your phone model. Here you will find your phone model, manufacturer, Android version, screen resolution, RAM and storage details. It's a quick way to check your device specifications. The system tab shows technical information such as the Android version, kernel version, security patch level, bootloader and security uptime. It's useful for checking your software and system details. Open the battery tab. Here you can see the battery level, charging status, health, temperature and voltage in real time. This helps you monitor your battery while charging or during heavy use. Next, open the thermal tab. This displays temperature readings from different components inside your phone, depending on what your device supports. It's useful for checking if your phone is overheating. Finally, open the sensor tab. Here you can view all the sensors available on your phone, such as the accelerometer, gyroscope, compass, and proximity sensors. You can also see live sensors reading to make sure they are working correctly. Last tab is About tab. This contains information about the CPU-Z application, including its version, developer details, and options to share your device information. And that's how you can quickly check your Android phone's hardware using the free CPU-Z applications. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and turn on notifications for more practical Android and Windows tips. Thanks for watching.